the designer lines that we're able to acquire. So you've got a few there.
That's beautiful.
I know. This is a really exclusive
Oh my,
line.
that's
It's called
beautiful.
Sparks. Their colors are just the best in the industry. So as we move through here, this will be our bridal, our anniversary, and our engagement ring band set. So that's what we have here.
What a great selection y'all have.
It's a really good price point as opposed to going full retail to buy an engagement ring.
Wow.
We've got it all here. We really do at a very affordable price point.
I'm coming over close to your voice, Anita, so they can hear you speak.
Oh my,
so can you repeat that about what's in these cases?
I was just saying that a lot of the mothers and the grandmothers, they come, they see what we have, and they say, oh my goodness, my son, my grandson, they're about to get engaged. Look at your price points, because our price points for our engagement diamond rings are really affordable as opposed to going full retail store. And when you think about it, they say, well, you know, it's a state, it's previously owned. But when you think about it, a diamond is how old? Only maybe 1 billion years old. So it's been loved. We make sure that it's refurbished, it's clean, it's polished, it's pristine, and it has a story. And if you don't know that story, you can look at it and see there was a lot of love there. There was a big story. There's a big history. And we only get the best of the best. If it's too love, we can't pass that on. We allow that to stay within the family bounds. But for that point that we're able to acquire it, it's a great price.
Love that.
We even have yellow diamonds, we have fancy browns, and we have the standard round brilliant, as well as some of the older cut diamonds. We have that. We try to get it all. So in this case here, this is just our fashion diamond. You've got your diamond bracelets, your fun diamond rings. We segmented it so you can, you know, if you're staying with a particular color palette, like you like yellow gold, we've got it all here. We've got white gold, we've got platinum, and the biggest of the big boy is right here. So take a
Ooh,
look at
Lisa,
that.
look at that.
Golly, that is
That's
gorgeous.
waiting on one special person.
Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. This ring is too.
$33,000.
Yeah, just
a mere.
listen, just
Just
pocket
a
change. You can't take it with you. Can't take it with you.
Can't take it with you.
Boy, that is.
We've got some pretties. We've got some pretty sparklies.
We are being so spoiled here today, having this one-on-one service and pieces picked out for us to try and wear on camera, and matching up with our outfits and explanation of each piece. It's amazing. And this is an entire room full of the estate jewelry that we've now walked into from the first room where we saw it.
This is, I don't want to say the precious, but you've got your rubies, you've got your sapphires, and you've got your emeralds, all in this case.
Okay, rubies, sapphires, and emeralds.
Going through, just take a peek at the cases themselves.
Oh,
Really speak to
those
a
are the
picture.
rubies.
You know, the cases are antique. They're beautiful. They've got the claw feet, the big paws.
Janet, get a shot of the feet on these.
Okay, coming up, they're telling me to get a shot of the jewelry cases. That the furnishings to show the jewelry are a piece of art in and of themselves, and there's so many of them around this room.
Now, I would be remiss not to point out what's behind you, and this is our watch collection.
Oh,
We've got
watches.
Cartier, we've got maybe a Rolex left here or there. We really do well with our watches. So, again, another great price point right here. Our watches
Cartier,
are all
Rolex.
by our certified watchmaker. He is Rolex certified.
Girard Perregaux Ferrari chronograph watch.
And you know, with
Tudor Glamour date watch. I got a bit of reflection in the glass. Sorry about that. I can't avoid it. So that's nice. An entire, two cases of, I got to get back to these gemstones over here though. We had the rubies and then sapphires. Oh, diamond, sapphire and diamond halo ring. Sapphire and diamond ring. Wow. Pink sapphire and diamond. And what's the green? Emeralds, the emeralds. I have green eyes or hazel eyes, so I always love looking at the green jewelry. And at home I have tourmaline. There's emeralds. And then all the birthstones are sitting there so people can choose accordingly if they wish.
It's just enough that it's classic. It's classy. And it speaks all of those bells and whistles.
Those hoop earrings are
I
fabulous.
was saying, like,
Ooh.
any place you go, you're going to have your markdown case, and this would be it for us.
Oh.
All the items here.
And you can see the slashes through the price tags.
Exactly.
And what a markdown it is. Yeah.
There's a big variety in this case alone.
Nice.
What a great place to shop.
I love this pink. Love it.
That's that ruby and diamond combo that Lisa's liking in here. Wow.
And then Barbie didn't hurt, right?
Tanzanite and diamond pave band.
I had one, I think, but I never really, imaginatively played with the Barbie doll. So I was
Look at these fancy earrings. Diamond and drop earrings.
Yeah, but I wondered if
Tanzanite.
you were into Barbie, if you caught more of the underlying humor of it.
I like that little square one right there, that Tanzanite and diamond halo ring.
So that wasn't a real thing.
Yes, it is.
Oh, it's real. Okay.
Peridot.
Well, I love the fashion.
And that's what you got with Barbie. Now this case
Wonderful,
is
Keith.
just a lot of variation.
Yeah.
You've got some rare
Oh, look at these with the leaves.
You've got your favorite, fantastic, newest in the newest in the gem world.
All right, everyone.
Your Tanzanite. This is the birthstone for August, which is peridot, that soft yellow
pretty.
gray. It's really pretty. And then you have some other gemstones here, which we kind of collectively put them together. Morganite,
Very
kunzite.
nice.
That's
So-
pretty. That necklace is gorgeous.
Oh, yes.
The one at the top.
It's called Morganite
Oh my gosh.
and diamond pendant.
That's beautiful.
Lisa, Andy's going to be very busy.
Honey, he better be busy to make some money so he can buy me something.
I don't think he understood what he was sending you off to do today.
I hope he sells a lot of corn. That's all
A lot of corn? We have corn for sale over at the farm, everyone.
So right here you've got some more fashion diamonds, primarily the earrings. So maybe a few necklaces splashed in there.
Yes.
So we've got some really nice.
You know, that hoop with
inside
diamonds
out.
has come back too. I see a lot of women in the hoop with the diamonds.
Do you mean the inside outside?
Yes,
one?
and then
Yes.
it goes with everything.
Yes, yes. It's a staple like a diamond stud. You know, depending
Keith,
on your
if
hair.
viewers are seeing pieces that they're gravitating towards here today, how would they look you up?
Well, they can come onto our website. There's an estate jewelry section on our site, and they can go there, or they can give us a call.
And are there pieces featured then with photographs and whatnot? I think Lisa said she was looking.
Everything that you've seen today is on our website.
Right.
Plus more.
Plus
yes.
more.
And then, of course, you ship.
Absolutely. we ship.
So they
Just
would,
like our tableware.
they'd find, if it was a ring, they'd find out the size and could have that conversation or look online. And
We'll be glad to help with that.
yeah, and you,
Online, lots of people order directly online, but some people will call us and talk about a particular piece and get some of the history behind it, things like that.
so if they were looking for your Facebook page, it's called,
Replacements at Replacements Limited
right.
for our Facebook page and all of our social media.
Yes, and later today I'll be tagging all these videos directly to their Facebook page, so you'll be able to find if you're interested in any of the things that we're seeing here today, not just the jewelry, but the estate jewelry, but there's lots more to come. So stay tuned, everybody. Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real is on location at Replacements